See this crack right here? You probably have one at your house and it's driving you nuts. Makes sense, right? Best part is super easy to fix, so you don't have to think about it. And it only takes 2 products to do it. In a minute, I'm gonna go over what you need to repair cracks like a pro. Now, if you were doing this on a large commercial project, time would be money, right? And so that's why the pros who train at Leggari Academy use these exact products. They're fast, they're reliable, and they deliver incredible results. Want to learn more insider secrets just like that? Check out Leggari Academy. The description's in the link below. But there's one thing about concrete cracks. You don't want to just fix them for looks. This one, for example, could lead to some big problems. Water damage, tripping hazards, structural issues. A small crack can turn into a major headache, not only because it looks ugly, but it can also create a lot of issues like I just said. And that's because you don't take care of it or you don't repair it. But the good news is a little preventative maintenance can save a lot of headaches and money in the future. Plus, we're going to show you how you can take it one step further if you want to. Let's talk about what we're using to tackle this project. First up, we got silica sand. We use silica sand in a lot of things when we're dealing with crack repairs. So this stuff is amazing because what we're able to do with the silica sand, number one, is we're able to fill up the cracks so we don't need as much product. And then the second thing is we're able to eliminate the product just soaking down into the crack and you using and wasting a bunch of the product. And to seal the deal, we're going to be using crack repair. This product is specifically designed to repair cracks. It gets hard, but it also has a lot of flexibility. So when the concrete expands and contracts from different temperatures, it allows that fluctuation without it cracking back through. And it also soaks deep into the concrete pores and creates a permanent bond within the concrete itself. Now, before we get to the fun part of actually fixing this crack, we have to do some prep work to ensure that this repair is gonna last a long time. So if you're dealing with cracks that are deep, they're wide, maybe they have loose chunks inside of them, we gotta get those out. We gotta prep that because we wanna get anything that's loose or flaking or gonna fail later on. We wanna get that out of that crack, so when we repair it with our crack repair, we're gonna have a solid piece of product basically in that crack, filling all the imperfections, all the chipping, the flaking, loose edges, whatever it may be. We want to make sure that crack is completely prepped before we apply the crack repair. Just remember, the cleaner the crack, the better you prep, it makes a difference. It's going to be the difference from this not lasting very long or this repair lasting an extremely long time. And the nice thing about this process is if you don't get it right, perfect the first time, we can go back and we can add some more crack repair. We can address any imperfections that are less. It's a very forgiving process. And there you have it, a permanent fix for that ugly concrete crack that's been driving you crazy. Now you know how to tackle this crack repair like a pro, but you don't have to stop there. Here at Leggari, we have everything you need to take your concrete floors to the next level. Want a durable, showroom quality epoxy floor? We got you covered. If you want to resurface your entire slab without the hassle of demolition, we have the perfect solution. Dreaming of custom flake floors or a warmth of hardwood? Leggari makes it easy. Head over to leggari.com and discover the possibilities.